Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your GK teacher, Ms. Farheen, and I welcome you all to your GK class. My dear students, as you know that we are on unit number 12, matter, and alhamdulillah, we have covered all the lectures. Today, we will move forward towards the lecture number 5, which is the review of this unit. So my dear students, before moving on towards the review, let's quickly recap what we did in the previous lecture. So my dear students, in the previous lecture, we compared the deflated and inflated balloon, और फिर हमने इसको पानी से भी भरा, और फिर हमने देखा कि इनकी properties के अंदर क्या क्या फर्क आ गया था. So we did a project on the 3 states of matter. So my dear students, what is the difference between juice and air filled in a balloon? Do they have similar properties? Yes, in one way we can say they have the similar properties because both take the shape of the balloon. Both do not have their own shape and their size, but their mass varies. So my dear students, these are the student learning outcomes which we have covered in this unit. So my dear students, now let's quickly move forward towards the review. So in the first lecture, we identified the matter and its states. So हमने देखा था कि matter है और क्या होता है matter, हमने इसको identify किया, define भी किया, mass के बारे में पढ़ा और हमने different states of matter जो हैं उनके बारे में भी पढ़ा. So what is matter? Anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. So my dear students, फिर हमने identified matter and its states. So what are states of matter? So there are 3 states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. Then we studied about the properties of matter. So we recognize the basic difference between states of matter such as water through physically observable properties, shape and size. So हमने जो matter है, जो उसकी 3 states है, solid, liquid और gas, हमने उसके बारे में पढ़ा और हमने वाटर की जो है वो एग्जाम्पल को हर जगह कोट किया कि पानी जो है क्योंकि वो तीनों फॉर्म्स में एग्जिस्ट करता है, सॉलिड में भी एज एन आइस, लिक्विड में एज वाटर एंड इन अ गैस एज स्टीम और वाटर वेपर्स. सो हमने इनकी प्रॉपर्टीज को कंपेयर किया था. सो प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ स्टेट्स ऑफ मैटर एज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ वाटर, व्हाट आर सॉलिड्स एंड देयर प्रॉपर्टीज. सो सॉलिड्स आर they have definite shape. They retain their shape, they are rigid. So these are some properties of solids. So next we discussed about the liquids. So what are the properties of liquids? They do not have fixed size and shape, and they take the shape of the container they are poured in. And what are the properties of gases? They also do not have a fixed shape and size, and they are almost invisible and become the part of the air because their particles are very far away from one another. So my dear students, now let's move forward towards the practice. We have revised all the concepts. Now I will provide you with an assessment sheet which you can download from the description box below this video, or you can get it in print form by your teacher. So my dear students, write down your name and your roll number. Then is it a solid, liquid or gas? Right next to each picture. So some pictures are given here. What you need to do is look at them very carefully and then sort them out accordingly: solid, liquid and gas, right in the box in front of each picture. So you will complete it, and next is match the item with proper states of matter. So solid, liquid and gas are the 3 states of matter, and here are 3 sentences written with the pictures. You have to match them with the correct state of matter. So you will complete this worksheet and you will submit it to your teacher. Pause the video and quickly complete it. I hope everybody has finished it. Now we will move forward towards your homework. For homework, you will discuss the properties of states of matter with your parents and find out difference between solid, liquids and gases. So आपको अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ सॉलिड, लिक्विड्स और गैसेस तीनों स्टेट्स ऑफ मैटर के बारे में बात करनी है. आप डिफरेंट एग्जांपल्स उनको कोट कर सकते हैं फ्रॉम योर हाउस होल्ड आइटम्स, और उसके बाद इनमें क्या इनकी प्रॉपर्टीज में डिफरेंसेस हैं, कैसे जो है ये एक दूसरे से मुख्तलिफ लगते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ देयर पार्टिकल्स व्हिच आर इनसाइड ईच स्टेट. तो उनके पार्टिकल्स की फॉर्मेशन की वजह से जो है जितने भी चीज़ें हैं, जैसे कि ये रिमोट है या ये पेन है, ये कुछ पार्टिकल्स से मिलके बना हुआ है. तो इनके पार्टिकल्स की फॉर्मेशन ये है कि सॉलिड के पार्टिकल्स बहुत टाइटली पैक्ड होते हैं, इसी वजह से इनकी एक फिक्स शेप होती है. सो आपने ये एग्जाम्पल्स जो है अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ डिस्कस करनी है, कोट करनी है, एंड दिस इज योर होमवर्क. एंड देन wrap up what we have learned in this unit. Matter is anything that occupies mass and space. States of matter are solid, liquids, and gases. Solids have specific shape and size. Liquids have no specific shape and size and gain the shape of the container. Gases have no specific shape and size. So my dear students, this is it. We have discussed all the properties of the three states of matter. What is matter? What is mass? We have discussed this. Now you are able to look at different objects around you, and you can tell that which is solid, which is liquid, and which is gas. According to their properties, you can tell that. So my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed this unit. Keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day. Thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz.